No way. There is no way the AI just... So let's test if it's a real AI. Okay, so it is a real AI, so we just made a GPT clone. Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a chatbot very easily, like ChatGPT or something, and I'm going to show you how. First of all, we are going to go here and I'm going to click on make a ChatGPT copy. Just an easy prompt, just to get started, because you can be creative and tell it something, but I just want it to look like ChatGPT, and then we are going to integrate the AI. So let's wait for the response and we are going to get started. Okay, so let's test what the AI has done. Let's click here. Okay, nothing happens. Let's see on the desktop version. Okay, it looks like this. Let's click on sign in. Okay, we don't have an account, so let's create an account. Let's just go with this one, test. Hi, continue. Invalid email or password. Well, it doesn't work. Account. So let's see, it should solve these issues. Maybe it is because I didn't select as the context the functions which has the these folders. So now I have selected it. Maybe it can solve the issue because I can't create an account. So the AI failed. Maybe what I'm going to do is just go with my own key, because it will be better, because the free models can't work very complex stuff. They only do UI interface, so it looks good, but on the end it doesn't work. So I'm just going to use a model of Gemini. I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to send the message again. Okay, I think now it's finished. Let me just create an account. Hi. So the password must be at least 8 characters. Let's just add something. Continue. Okay. Alright, it looks good. Okay, I think we have our own ChatGPT, but of course I think the messages are not going to work, right? So nothing is going to answer us because we don't have any AI added to it. So let's just sign out and sign in and test. Oh, I forget my password. Let's just create a new account. Test with 1, 2. Oh, test 1. Okay, we have a new account. Hi. Alright, it works. Let's create a new chat. Hi. So it works. Okay, so we can create a very good chat. Let's see now. It looks good on desktop also. Okay, good. Now what we are going to do, guys, is we are going to go to openrouter. Okay, I'm going to leave you guys the links on the description. We are just going to go to this link and we have to copy this model. Okay, we have to click on this link here and just copy it, and then also we have to go to the settings, and then on the settings we are just going to go to the API keys, and on the API keys we are just going to go to create, and we are going to paste chatbot, and we are going to put just because it's going to be free. Okay, we are not going to pay anything, so we are going to put 0, and then no expiration. We are going to put create, and we are going to paste this, and we are going to save it. So now we are going to go back and we are going to tell the AI to do this. We have this stepfun. I told him I want to add the chatbot to respond with this model, which is the free one that we selected. So it's this free model, and we are just going to send this and I'm going to tell it. So what I just did is what I just said is you can hard code it, no problem, no need for edge functions or secrets. What is this is that this AI is connected to an edge functions with secrets, and these secrets I can just create the AI to be, for example, this API key to be hidden here on these secrets. So I can just create a new secret and it will be hidden, no one can see it. But I just said you can hard code it, no problem. You can just put it in these files, so it will make it easier. So I'm just going to send that, and I hope it does it good. It's the Google Gemini 3 Flash Preview model, so I think it's going to be an easy task for this model. So we're gonna test if it can actually put this model on it, and the API key here. So let's see where it puts it. So it made a very easy change. It only changed the functions. So we are going to test hi. ChatGPT clone is thinking, I guess, and let's see if it works. Okay, so we don't have any response, so it looks like it doesn't work. Let's test here. Let's sign out, sign in, create, just log in with this new account that we did, and then send a message again and see what happens. Let's open the console to see if there is any issues. So there are a lot of issues. Okay, so we are just going to click on this and we're just going to paste this stuff on the AI, and we are just going to, and by the way, this I'm doing it for free. So the Google Gemini, okay, so it just had an issue that it doesn't load the conversation, but we do have the responses. So the responses, so how much is 200 minus 150? So let's test if it's a real AI. Let's see. Okay, so it is a real AI. So we just made a GPT clone. Now guys, I don't know, we can just change the name of it, or we can just sign out. And for example, we have here just this sign in option. Let's just test something. Okay, we are just going to deactivate everything, and we are just going to leave the styles and the scripts, and we are going to just tell it create in the index HTML an amazing landing page that showcases the AI and shows CTA buttons to show a login that then shows the chat. So I'm just going to send this. I just want to have a, when you are here, I just want to have a landing page, something that looks good, that then when I click on the sign in button, then I will see the chat. So let's see if it does it. No way. There is no way the AI just did this. There is no way. Okay, I'm just going to change the names, and I'm just going to call it, I don't know, I'm just going to call it Abjayu AI. So I'm just going to go to the file, and I'm just going to go to the title, but I'm going to do it later. I'm just going to change this to Abjayu AI, or you know what, I'm just going to call it this AI.slash. Let me just save it. Okay, AI.slash. Let me see on desktop. No way, there is no way, bro, this looks insane. Let me see if it works, the sign in. Okay, let me sign in with that account that I just did. Test 1, 2, continue. Okay. Oh, okay, something broke here, but let me just type here, hi. Okay, so it's working, actually it's working. Okay, but let me just solve it. I'm going to solve it right now. Okay, but yo guys, I'm going to save this project. I'm just going to save the domain now. I'm just going to call it AI. Let me save the settings, and bro, this is an AI that I'm going to save, and I'm going to be able to change the model that people can talk with. So maybe add more cards here, everything we can do it. So I'm just going to go also to the footer. So we have here a footer that says step AI. I'm just going to say, I'm just going to search. Let me just send this first, and then let me just search step. For any text that's a step, I'm just going to delete it and put AI dot slash. Then I'm just going to go here, step, powered by hosting Abjayu, powered by, let me see, hosting.abjayu.com, because we are doing it in hostingabjayu.com, right? So I'm going to just delete this step AI, then keep going. We have here powered by step for near instant responses. So this we are going to keep it because it's actually the model. So using step AI, so this one we do have to delete it and change it. Keep going. Now this one also we are just going to delete it and put this, and then this one also. So this actually we could have done it with AI, but we are just going to do it. We are just going to be message AI dot slash. We are just going to do it ourselves, okay, because we know how to do coding. So we are just going to save this, and we're going to see that all changes, all texts should change. Let me just sign out for a moment. AI, the next generation of that, blah blah, powered by hostingabjayu.com. Okay, we can maybe change it later. Let's see how it looks on mobile. So on mobile it actually looks very good. By the way, I'm going to leave you the link, view demo. So the view demo button doesn't work. Maybe we just delete it. Let's go to here and just search view demo. Let's go view demo, and let's just delete this button for now. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, start chatting free. Okay, I like it. So now I'm just going to say, to solve this issue of the, how do you call it, the issue of the chat. So I'm just going to go to the AI. I'm just going to say, or maybe this is something related to the styles. Let me go back and let me just tell it the chat. So I told it the chat styles are not loading, you should fix that. Everything else works correctly, to make sure it doesn't make other changes, because everything now works okay. So this chat version doesn't work on the styles, but actually let me just test a message. The message does actually work, it's just not loading the styles, and the responses actually do come. So we have this response, but it looks bad. Okay, so we are waiting for the, oh, I'm not going to use this model. Let me go back, let me just my own key, and I'm just going to use the Gemini Flash review. I'm just going to send with this model because it's smarter and faster. Okay, so the issue has been solved. Let's test again. Hi. Okay, the AI is thinking, hello, how can I help you today? The chat interface working. So now if we just sign out and go back, wow, this is actually insane. I like how it looks. This looks very good. Of course the links don't work, the pricing don't work, because it's actually easy. You can just create an account, right? Let me just log in, sign in. Oh, this one doesn't look very good. Welcome back, sign into your conversation. So the back button doesn't actually work, but we see the buttons. Let me just go back to the account we created. Okay, it looks very good. We just made a ChatGPT clone, something that looks very nice, and we can actually just now just go and publish it, right? Let's publish it, and we have now our live site, aiabjayu.com. Guys, this website I think is going to stay live. If you go to it, I think you are going to be able to see it and test it, create an account and just do it. This we did it in a couple of minutes. We didn't take too long to do it, and of course you can be creative and do it the way you think it might be better. Maybe you create something better than what I did. You can combine your coding skills, your terminal skills. You can combine your styles skills. You can for example just be creative here, change your colors and stuff like that. Go to the edit mode, maybe change the text or something like that. And this is how you can publish a product. And then once you are ready, you can go here, select your own domain, then you can just go live. For example, now I'm just going to go with the subdomain, and later maybe I can just create my own domain and just connect it and publish it to the internet. So this is for today, guys. I'm just going to do a last review. It looks very nice. I do like it. So this is what you can do with this platform completely for free. If you are very good coding or stuff like that, this AI can do it for you with completely free tools, and you can just be maximize your software development skills with this platform. You can just edit the code, check out everything. You have a terminal, just everything ready for you. You have the database, you have the functions, you also have on the add functions you have secrets, so you have something that keeps secret stuff on your database already implemented. So it's a good platform to start with. This is the platform, guys, hosting.slash. It's an platform that builds websites and recently implemented AI on it, so now the AI writes actually the code for you. So I recommend you to check it out. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something. If you liked it, subscribe. If you like this type of videos, give it a like. And if you want more, I will be doing more. So stay tuned and see you on the next video.